Alright, what's up everybody? So I've just been recording for about half an hour, only to realize that you cannot see the screen, or the screen was frozen, which is, absolutely great. So yeah, here we are, day 159. I'm pretty much just copying all the sound related code of the Sound of Sorting project. I'm first copying, then trying to see if I can understand what this is about, and then I'll see if this just works. So that's pretty much the plan. This is working. You can see the screen. Alright. That was interesting. Half an hour of my life just wasted. I mean, not wasted, but it's the same. Okay, so from sound reset, void sound reset, and then you say that the plus is 0, great, which is what I had, and then the offset list clear. So it is indeed a sound reset. Alright. So then sound callback. Okay, so this is if there's no sound, you just don't do anything. Reference to sort view. Why do you have a sort view here? So this has whoa. Void. So what do you have? Reinterpret cast. Where is this thing? Huh. So interesting. Are you used somewhere else? SB. Variable SB. Are you used somewhere else, buddy? Copy line, reference, I don't care about this. SB, yes. Fuck. Okay, so this is where you get the information of the array and stuff. Interesting. So, okay. So let's just say I have a view object as well, right? Let's just say sv equals reinterpret cast to view object of view data, view object. Okay. I have to include short view. No. Short view. Sorry. Interpret cast from void is not allowed. What do you mean it's not allowed? Oh, because it's a pointer. Okay. Sorry. This is like this, and then this is. Wait, what? Stream now. Is it a pointer as well? Or are you just doing this? 60t, which is it not here? Is it not 2 bytes? I mean, might be crazy. Which new access list and create oscillators? Not using any mutics in this case. I don't know if I should. Okay, so that array. Why could I not get this? Is it not a remember named this array in view object? Well, you quite literally have an array, but whatever. So what is in my sort view object? I mean, I have no idea. I do have an array. The only thing is I cannot get the array. Yeah, just protect it. But I guess you should be able to access it now. What? Array max. Arrays are protected memory of the object. Huh. I could have sworn he had it the same way. It's a protected object. Short view.h. Short view.h. Expano, whatever. Oh, he had it as public. Alright, my bad. Include array.hpp, sorry, sort view.hpp. I'll just kind of grab this. Actually, let's just put it as public. And then we'll find array max. Get size, get max value, I guess. Sorry. Get max value. What is p scale? Oh, he had it here. G sound sustain, I guess this is somewhere around here, no? Yes. Static cons, size T, sound, sustain equals to, is it a, it's a double. It's a double, yes. Double sound sustain, right. G delay, what is G delay as well? I have no idea what that is. G delay. And it's not declared as an extern or anything like that, is it? G delay, where are you? What? One of two matches. Multiplying G delay with this value. And then G delay right here. What is G delay in this case? Unfortunately, I have no idea what this is. You know what I mean? Where do you get this from? What is this? What the fuck? Do you get it as an argument or something like that? No, 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 and it's not even content to SB or anything like that. It's just out of nowhere, a G delay appears, which is great, you know? To be short view.h. Let's see if there's anything here. Extern double G delay. So maybe in short array.h is a G delay. Delay. Dope. Nothing like that. Alright. Well, I'm just gonna have to find myself in that. I think I know what it is. Particle.h, no, it's word sound. That's it. Alright. So in here, sound callbacks have reset. G delay. What do I have? So I have sb dot array. I have to access the array sort delay. Get delay. Alright, back in here, so sb dot array dot get delay. Sort delay dot get duration. Add oscillator. Okay. So I think that's what the value is, but I have no idea. Okay. Then I declare, so right after this, I declare a vector of double called wave size. Boom. Wave count equals 0. Right, and then you have whatever this is. Boom. Alright, so for STD vector oscillator, consider it. Alright, so you just have an iterator in the vector. You start at the beginning and then okay, so this should be up here, right? I think so, yeah, so it is different than the n and then it plus plus. Right. Boom. If it is done, then okay. Boom. This is out of the 4, so if wave count equals 0, then set, which I don't think I have included, stream 0 when I do. Alright. Max element from wave dot begin. What am I doing? wave dot int. Alright. Immediately ramped down the volume, which does not seem to happen, but you know, I'll take it. Anyways, then ball equals 0.9 times old ball. Alright, you do all this stuff right here, which I'm just gonna include, if I'm allowed to, of course. Hold on. This is okay, so this is still within that house. Okay, well, so if I'm doing this here, okay, so what exactly do you do then? Convert waveforms to samples with their input value. So okay, so this is pretty much done. Now, how do you integrate this? So on axis, there should be something on the sort algo not sort of array.cpp. Maybe sound axis. Here it is. On comparison, sound axis, on axis. Alright, there we go. So let's just go ahead and go to array.cpp. So on axis, find array item, you do, hold on, sound.hpp, and then you have a sound axis, right, sound axis of a, which is, yeah, a item dot get value, I guess, get right, yeah. Represents a type constant rate item cannot bind to a value, constant value typing, and constant. What are you talking about, buddy? What is get direct in this case? So let's start array.h, get direct, get direct, get direct. So you just return the value. Do I not have that? Oops. So I have my class array item, then I have, which I return the value, yes, and it's a const, yes. Then value type, yes, get direct. So it's literally the same thing. Oh. Sound axis receives sound axis, sorry. Size T. So you receive a size T. Get direct. You you return the value, yes. Value type. On axis this, return the value. So maybe it's that what I'm missing, no? Maybe I'm missing this bit of thingy. Hold on. So this is perhaps you're not on axis thing. Do I have my on axis? Find here. Yeah, I do. So let's just do it. Reference to type const array item cannot bind to an L value of type const value type, aka const int. So reference type could not bind, could not to an L value of type. Notice because it temporarily cannot bind to an unconscious reference. You'll convert it. So wait, is there anything the sound axis have to be constant or something like that? I might be crazy. I might be crazy. Sort, sound that's it. Non-axis, no. Public function to add a new array axis. So what's the difference here then? I don't really understand that difference. I mean, sure, you have an external void sound axis. Right. Good for you, man. External void sound. This is a rate that actually sound axis. Size T. Wait, and it just works like that? What the fuck? Okay, so that's what I was missing. Alright, dude, whatever. Whatever. Let's say just whatever. So on comparison, I have to do this, and then I have to do sound axis of the first. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Is this array ID? Yes. Get value, of course. And then second. Get value. Right? Yeah. Okay, and then. That's all there is. So you just fill the data here, whatever, on axis, and then you do mdelay on axis. But then you do a comparison and all that, so it's not really that much of a deal. Get rounds in axis list. No sound axis, not really. So I have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, so that's all there is. Okay. Then I have to change the makefile so that this includes comparison of inter-expression of different signals, aka long unsigned int. So, do I have to cast it? What do I have to do? Borrow TO is set but not used. Let's say it is used. No. TO this. Yes. Anyways, what was this problem here, right? What was this? I think it was, yes. So I have an int. Why can you not be a size T? TO the set but not used. God damn it, bro. Actually, right, there's no sound being played. Yeah, that's what I thought was gonna happen. There has to be some sort of, I don't know, some sort of freaking delay sound or something like that, no? Where's the audio spec? Speed slider. What is the speed slider? What is this? What's the speed slider? What's going on, man? Okay, so you do SDO open audio. Hey, this is what I'm talking about. This is not what I want. Sound button. Okay, I guess just disable it. Alright, but. Okay, this is literally not important, but what is the sound sustain slider? Well, it's also not as important, but this. Okay, so I have to go back into my main thing. Right. Let's just do it right here. SDO. Sorry about that. An audio. Is it even included here? It is, yes. Well, there it is. All right. The thing is, this guy uses an SDO audio spec. Okay, yeah, it makes audio spec. I'm just gonna call it audio spec. Audio spec. All right, and then you have a SDO. Okay, so audio spec dot frequency equals. Right then. Format, which is audio 16 sys. Channels just one. Source measurement not valid. Whatever. Six. All right. Spec dot callback equals sound callback, which is interesting because what is this sound callback? Callback. So what is this? It's the audio spec. Sorry, audio spec. What is the audio callback? Is it a function? Callback. Callback that fits the audio device. It also uses the OQ audio. Is there not a function for that? Short sound. Sound callback, yes. So I guess I have to include it then. Sound callback. So is this the one that you're using for this, or what? Sound callback. No, it's only one. So that's interesting for sure. User data. What is user data? Norfolk. So this would be a little more tricky than I thought it was going to be. Short view. And then short view, okay, it's just a short view object. Alright, I don't have a short view object here. I have it right here. I mean, I guess I could as the short view object as have the short view object as a global variable. God damn. View object, array. Remember, could I have, sorry. Because I guess I could do something like this, right? Then I could, sorry. I could say view object. Object. No, I cannot. Watching instructor. Okay, so it has to be passed then. Well, what do I do here? Or do I just create it? Alright, let me do all this here. Short view. And then short view, do you just do anything for that? Short view, and then you just don't do anything else. Because I guess this gets some sort of short view. I have no idea once again what this is. But this guy does not do any sort of, well, because it's a pointer for short view. Alright, so if it was something like this, okay, it just stops complaining. Is the open audio? Alright, I was just checking out the grade of an exam. Sorry about that. Got a 7 out of 10. Yes, sir. Alright, so then, what am I missing? You do SDL open audio, okay. With the audio spec, and then, no, with the desired relaxation, not open audio. So I'm gonna disable, set value false, whatever. Literally whatever. Let me just do it. If this fails. Then you do std air output audio failed to SDO getter std end of it. Alright, so I have sound callback, but I don't know what am I supposed to do with it. Where did you get the sound callback from? What is this? What's going on? How? I mean, literally, how do you get it? use of undeclared identifier in sound callback. Shouldn't be. Shouldn't be an undeclared identifier. Like I have it literally declared here. Sorry. Oh, not here. Sound callback. Here, literally here it is. It's a void. It's a. What's going on? Sorry. Okay, there we go. It is a sound callback. You have it right here. What are you doing? Maybe there needs to be like a header file of it. I don't know. Maybe that's why it's struggling to get it. Sound callback. But in this case, there's no header file list. Like startargo.h does not have a sound callback. Right? There's no such thing. Then if I go, sort sound.h, that's pp, wsort view.h, wsort view.h. Oh, here it is. Sound callback. So you did have it somewhere. So there was a header file for this. Right, why did you not want to, include all this in here? Just asking, I'm just asking. Sort view.hpp. Well, if I have to include sort view.hpp, then that makes sense. Why it is in the sort view.hpp. Right, so let's just. Whoa, not what I wanted. Okay, so I'm literally gonna go out here. So, hold on. God damn it. Great, there we go. It is now working. So I'm not getting any sound, buddy. I'm not getting any sound. Yikes. So why is this happening? Okay, is it actually like this? Where am I? Sword of main, right? Then it's less than 0. Okay, so if it's less than 0, then it means it's failed for whatever reason. So it does not fail. So it does not fail, but then why are you not being played? Source streaming.cpp. Not what I wanted. Sorry, yes. Quick sort is going to the end. It's like I'm getting like weird audio glitches, like very, very low in volume. But I don't know if that's what I need, like BIM source dot main, you know. So go back, maybe I have to do something different, you know? But I have no idea how to solve this. So at the end of the day, you do have a sound callback, which is this right here, and then you just end up doing all this, which I have done, and then advanced output types. Right, right. Do I have? I do have it. Yes, sound of sorting. Right. Um, BIM source. So this right here, I know, but then I'm gonna look for sound axis. Sound axis, sound axis, sound axis. Then that's all there is on comparison. Okay, what about on, sorry, axis, on axis. So on axis you do a delay of the Q, on axis this, on axis. So this is an swap, you do two on axes of the array itself, but these are both on axis. I mean, I have no idea how to solve this. TBH with you. Sorry. I'm gonna go and chat with my guy. Delete group. Alright, bro, that's not what I wanted to do. So in C++, it's in STO. Sorry, I have this CAD source main. Boom. I just have all this. Let me copy this so that it knows. CAD source sound.cpp. I'm gonna copy the entire sound fallback. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do CAD include sort view.hpp. This is not inside of the class. Okay. Boom. Boom. Also, it's not even using SDL mixer. Key points. Dude, just tell me what's wrong. Use of global variables, balls, and list, oscillist, sound sustain. have to pause the audio. Like, start audio playback. It is paused. What the fuck? Still no sound. Damn. Alright, well, I don't know. Maybe I'll take this tomorrow. That's just what it is.